Hi everyone, good afternoon. Thanks for joining. Hi Isha, Reena, Abhay. Good afternoon to everyone who joined via chat. Just one moment.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, hi Abhay. Good afternoon.
Happy Mahashivratri, ma'am.
Yes. Wish you too. You did wish us in the morning too.
Thank you, ma'am.
How was the day going?
Hi,
My day is going well, ma'am.
good afternoon.
Good. That's nice. Yeah, hi Isha. Good afternoon. I can hear you. I
Sorry to disturb you.
could
Just
hear you,
here.
but no problem. It's okay. I was just wondering how your network is today. Is it working all right? There's still a bit of a lag. Okay, all right. Not sure if your network is working, Isha. Anyways, we'll see as the class progresses. So Isha, Reena, Abhay, you guys are in. I'll just share my screen. We are continuing what we started in the morning, right?
Ma'am, right now, am
Yes,
I
ma'am.
audible?
Yes, you are audible now.
Screen is visible, ma'am.
It's visible, right? Okay, super.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Isha, you are also audible.
Thank God, ma'am.
Sorry, I just have a little bit of a cough today. So sometimes I'll just put myself on mute.
It's okay, ma'am. No issue, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Hey, Shailendra is also in. Hi, Shailendra, good afternoon. Yeah, I think he's still joining in. All right, so I think we should start. Let's not take up much time. As the others join in, I'll add their names to the screen. So, can we go with the fifth topic, which is, a workplace conversation where one colleague is facing some issues like we were doing in the morning. It could be something related to the work itself, or maybe related to something that's happening at office, or any other issue that the person is facing, and they're trying to talk to their colleague about it and understand what to do, or how to escalate it, how to talk to the manager about it. They're just trying to seek some advice, similar to what we did in the morning.
Ma'am,
Should we start with you, Reena? And
Uh,
yeah,
I will talk, ma'am. First question, ma'am. Interview scenario.
हाँ, बट अबे देखो प्रॉब्लम ये है दैट हम लोग एक सिनारियो पकड़ के आज क्लास कर रहे हैं. So today's scenario is not interview. Today's scenario is to talk to your colleague about managing time or any kind of issues at work. We will do interview related also, but in the following days. Because एक क्लास में अगर हम multiple situation लेंगे ना तो everyone will not be able to adjust to it properly. Because at least if we take one scenario while you are speaking, somebody else will think about what to say. So that'll help us to learn better. So we'll do it. Maybe we can do it tomorrow. Tomorrow also we have 2 sessions. We can do, someone taking an interview and all. We can do it tomorrow. All right.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, hi Maliha. Good afternoon. So guys, let's start off. Reena and Isha, would you guys like to start?
yes, ma'am, sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay, Reena is also here.
Ma'am, just today, ma'am, Reena will ask the question, ma'am. I will reply.
So Reena is the one who's explaining the problems
Yes,
or
ma'am.
whatever is the
Because many
trouble.
times I only ask the question.
Okay, okay. Reena, do you have something in mind?
Yes, ma'am.
Try to imagine that you're
Ma'am.
facing some problem at work and you are
Yes,
talking to your colleague about it and trying to, get some advice or suggestion.
Yes, ma'am.
You start, Reena. Great. Go ahead.
Yes. Good morning, Isa.
Hi, Reena. How are you? Good morning.
I'm fine. How about you, Isa?
Thanks. I'm also good, Reena. Why did you came today late in the office? Come. Why did you come to the late of the office?
Yes, actually, I have a problem because my scooty battery is not working. So I have a problem, and then I take Ola and call Ola, and then I came here for work.
Okay, because of your scooty broke down, you're not
Yes.
unable to
Yeah,
reach the
not a
office
start
on
typing.
time. I understand
Yeah.
it. Why
Yeah.
don't you? I can help you. I have a car. Where do you live?
I live in near your colony.
Oh,
Mm,
okay, that's good. I do one thing. Tomorrow I will pick you in the morning. Just be on time. 9:30. I will pick you. Then we can come by my car to the office. So you will not face any transport issue. So I can help you. I don't mind to help you.
no, sorry to say, Isa, but tomorrow I will not able to ready for that time, because I have to go bank for withdraw some cash, because I want to change my scooty battery, and that is not working properly. So sorry.
Oh, I can understand you. Do one thing. We can call the mechanic at your home. There is one mechanic near my house. He's a very good in automobiles work. So he can help you and he can change your battery within 1 hour. So you don't need to go outside and you can also save your time. So no need to go no, garage shop. Yeah, no need to. You should not go garage shop. You can call him. They will pick your scooty and they will change it within 1 hour.
Yeah. Actually, I have a number, and I check. I call some mechanics, but that time someone say that my scooty battery is not available in this city, because because it is so old, and the version, it means now latest version is available in city. So they say that I will go. I have to go for this battery for only, because I this is not available in city, but it is available out of city, it means big city. So
Okay.
they,
Mm,
yeah.
okay. Do one thing, Reena. I will check it on online. Just send me the battery number of your scooty. So if I will get in online, I can order for you. So it's better for you. So you can repair your scooty very easily.
Okay, Isha and Reena, I just want to ask you something. The conversation you all are having is something related to Reena having
Yes, ma'am.
to travel to work. But we were thinking that you all will talk about some problem at work, some issue in the workplace.
Okay,
But
Yeah.
ma'am.
you all took the
Okay,
conversation,
ma'am. I
okay,
will
a
keep in mind.
different direction.
Okay. Okay, sorry, ma'am.
No problem.
Okay, okay. I will change it, ma'am.
You start. Reena, you talk about some issue you're facing at work. Some kind
Yes.
of issue. Yeah.
Yes. uh, Hello, Isa.
Yes.
Actually, I am here. I have a problem, because my actually I make a project. It means for I want to matlab, it means fully computerize this office, but I have no any data. Please, you can help me.
Yeah, I can help. Surely, I can help you. There is one person in our office. His name is Amit. He is a software engineer, and he can help you to fit the data in the computer. So, would you like to talk with him?
Yes, I know, Amit, Isa, but actually, I want to help. I want to help, because I want to know your all office work. It means how to
Okay.
work. If someone enter, then how to work this thing. I want to algo. It means steps. How to work. Yeah, Amit said that he will give some data, and I will process, but I want to know how they work. So please help me.
Okay. There is one of my friend is Silly. She is assistant manager at this company, and she helps intern very well. So maybe she will guide you for a 6 month, and within 6 months you can be a good, mm, what we call, ma'am, you can be a good employee. So it's better to you have to work under Silly for 6 months, because I can right now I cannot guide you because I am working on some project. So our senior manager has assigned me some project, so I cannot get enough time to help you. So I will assign Silly to you. You have to work Silly under 6 months, so you can learn everything from the Silly. She is good in software, and she is actually software well known. She is software engineer, and she has completed her graduation from IIT. So within 6 months she will guide you, and you have to work on the Silly as a intern.
Yes, Isa, I know Silly, but my project is belongs to your work, because actually your work, I think I want to test, and if I know how to
Okay,
work
do
this
one thing.
project, then I will try to help you, because your manager said that your project is very big, I think. So they call me for help you.
Okay, I got it. I understand that. Oh, he told you to assist me. So do one thing. But problem is that you never come to the office on time. You should be on time. Otherwise, you cannot help me. Even you have to you have to become little fast, because we work very fast. Because within 1 week I have to show my presentation, and next week we have to go for conference in the USA. So if you will not be on time, then how we will manage the presentation and conference? But your problem is that you always be late.
Actually, I come in office late, but I have so many work from your office. It means your manager. It means sir give me so many tasks, and I have to go anywhere for that purpose. So I came here late. If you want to work here, it means if you want to help, then I will surely come on the time. So don't worry, Lisa.
Don't take it on your heart. Actually, in corporate life, we have to do the work like this. You have to make time for your other work also. Otherwise, you will not get promoted easily in the company. There are so many talented people in the company, and if you want to become like this, so you have to make some time so you can do another work and you can help your seniors. So this way you will also get promotion in the company. So you have to manage the time very smartly.
Okay, Isha and Reena will pause here.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Isa.
Otherwise,
Okay, I
I
will
think
try.
Reena will come up with more and more problems, and Isha's advice is never ending. It's it's like she has a solution to everything in life. Okay, for this problem you go to Amit. For that problem you go to Silly. He's got it all covered. And Reena is like, yes, I know Silly. I know Amit. You all are having a good time together. But nice. You all are improvising very well. I don't know whether I'm not sure whether what is it that you want to speak about, but you all are improvising very well.
Thank you so much.
So good, good. It's just working on the confidence also. Doing these things helps your confidence also.
Yes, ma'am. Conversation is a good practice.
Yeah. So I don't really have anything much to say as such, because it was a free flow conversation. Maybe somewhere I heard somebody saying so many work, but instead of so many, you could say so much work, because work is uncountable, right? So we can't say many. I can say many bottles, many phones, but much work, so much work. I have a lot of work. And right at the start, one of you, I don't know I think you tried to say, why did you come late today? Why were you late today? But
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, you were fumbling while framing that question. So why were you late today? Or why did you come late today? As simple as that. But great, very nice. Both of you, Reena, Isha, keep up the
Ma'am,
confidence.
if I just have to say, तुम हमेशा लेट होती हो.
You're always late. You're never on time.
You never on time.
You're never punctual. You can even use the word punctual. You are never punctual, which means you're never on time.
Okay, ma'am, got it. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay, let's go with Abhay and Shailendra. Shailendra, is your network fine today?
Yeah, ma'am.
Great. Okay. So who is going to be the one who has the problems?
Ma'am, I have.
Coming up with an issue. Shailendra, you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So Shailendra will start. Shailendra has some issue that he's facing, and Abhay has to give him a suggestion or help him out or talk to him. Okay. Shailendra, go ahead. But be a little louder, okay? Your voice is
Okay.
a little low.
Okay. Is it audible, ma'am?
Yeah.
How?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, hi, Abhay. How are you?
Yes, good morning. I am fine. And how about
Okay.
you?
Yeah, I'm doing well, Abhay. And I have called you because I have to talk with you regarding some issue. Actually, I have been noticing you are not you are unable to complete given tasks on time. So, do you have any problem?
Yes, Salem. Today, I will not go to office because today is Mahashivratri. So I am in fasting. So are you going to office?
No, I am in office, but for the last 1 or 2 months, I have been noticing that you are unable to complete your given task on proper time. So, is there any problem? Are you facing any problem?
Yes, actually, I have involved in other work, so I didn't complete this work.
Okay, so can I can I know what are the tasks that you are involved in?
Uh, I have prepared the compliance report, which is received by the client. So
Mhm.
I prepare the compliance report.
Yeah, Abhay, I know that you are busy, but still, see, if we give you any work or any task, then you have to do it in a complete in a proper time, in a scheduled time. Okay, and if you are unable to complete in a scheduled time, then you should inform your seniors. Actually, what happens, we are we rely on you that you will complete this time on a scheduled time, but when you don't come up with the uh, complete work, then we face problem and we face the music from our seniors. So it is if you are burdened and if you have lots of work on your plate, then you should inform your seniors. I don't want any task to go beyond the deadline.
Okay, right. But Salim, I have so work now. Uh, can I can you help me in my
Yeah,
work?
yeah, sure. Whatever help you need, you can call me, and I can help you as much as I can. If you need any training, if you need to upgrade your skill, or if you need some assistant, then I can arrange you. But the problem is we need to complete our work on time.
Okay, please help me. Actually, I have a making presentation, so please help me in making presentation.
Okay. So what type of presentation is this?
Actually, company conducted a meeting with a visitor, and meeting will held on 5th March. So I prepare the presentation.
Okay, okay, Abhay. This time I will help you, but from the next time, I want you to come forward in advance. Okay. See, you are telling me when I asked you this question, but from the next time, if you face some difficulty or if you are stuck somewhere, then you should come in advance. Okay. We, as you know, our company's policy, uh, we have to deliver our given task on a proper time. Okay.
Oh, that task I will finish 2 to 3 days. So please suggest the our in charge
Okay. Yeah, yeah,
about.
sure, sure. And anything more that you want me to help you?
Okay.
If you need any counseling, or if you are facing some work or work related issues, then you can consult with me. I will not spill the beans to anyone.
Okay, I will discuss with you in evening.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Abhay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to talk to you, Abhay.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Nice. Shailendra and Abhay, that sounded like a good conversation. I would say the conversation is very much to the point. Shailendra, you were leading the conversation, in the right direction, and Abhay was also listening and responding accordingly. So very well done by both of you. Abhay, you also focused a lot on ensuring that you are speaking to the point and in a crisp way and responding to his question. So that was very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I think Shailendra, you use certain words and phrases that I just want to kind of reiterate. Like for example, rely on, right? Like the company relies on the employees. It depends on, right? So we rely on you. We depend on you. I hope you are not feeling burdened or burdened with work. So
Okay.
over here, you are very nice. That is a good word to use. So here Shailendra was trying to say that I hope कि आपके ऊपर बहुत सारा कुछ काम का बोझ नहीं है. You don't have too much of work. I hope you're not feeling burdened, or I hope you're not feeling pressurized. So that's a good word. Let me know in advance. I think you're trying to tell him, instead of saying
Yeah,
come in advance, you inform me or let me know in advance.
let me know in advance.
Yeah, if you're struggling with the deadline or if you are unable to complete something within the time frame.
Yeah.
So there are so many words that we can use. You are also using them. Time frame, deadline, whatever, anything else. So it is very nice. Good job, guys. Very nice.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thanks, Shailendra. Thanks, Abhay. Anyone, any questions still here before we move forward to the next pair? From whatever you were listening to.
Yes, ma'am. One sentence is there. When one who is say मैं नहीं आ सका, so we can say that I could not come on time because today is my fast. Is it correct, ma'am?
I couldn't come to work because I'm fasting today, or because I'm fasting due to Mahashivratri.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Because I'm fasting or I'm on fast.
Yes, ma'am. So here can मतलब we can use could. I think could is correct model verb.
I could not come to work today. Yeah, I couldn't. Yeah. Correct. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. All right. If we don't have any other questions, let's move on to Maliha and Harmeet. Hi, Harmeet, Maliha.
Yeah,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay, so we're going with the same situation. One of you has some issue at work.
Yeah, ma'am.
And
Ma'am,
you're trying to.
number 5th, about managing time, we can go. I want to go.
Anything. 1 second. Someone
Okay.
said something, Shailendra. Did you say
No,
something?
ma'am, I didn't say. No, ma'am, I didn't say.
Sorry. I thought I heard your voice. Sorry. Okay, so Harmeet, let Maliha start because she was there in the morning session also. So she has been listening to a lot of the conversations. And you try to respond to her.
Okay, ma'am.
So the
But
Malika,
I don't I don't have experience of work.
okay, yaar, see guys, all of you are telling me experience nahi hai. Tell me one thing. We watch movies, videos, serials, everything, correct?
Yes,
Right or
ma'am.
wrong? So many of
Yes,
Yeah,
these
yes.
kind
ma'am.
of people talk about work and business. All of us have heard a lot of things, so we can all talk. Don't worry. Maliha, you start.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Hi, Harmeet. How are you?
I'm fine, Maliha. How are you?
I'm also fine.
How is your
Harmeet,
work going on?
going on well, going on. Everything is fine. I want to share something with you.
Yeah.
I joined here 1 week ago. So I realized
Okay.
that work pressure is so
Mm-hmm.
much here. Do you agree with me?
Mm, uh, I think you are new here. So, due to that, you do not adopt our you do
Okay,
not
work pressure at office.
adopt our workload of this office. So I think uh, for that you have a uh, you feel that you have a pressure.
That's why I want to know how do you manage the time, and have you are you married? Do you have family?
Yeah. Yes, I have family. I have two
Okay,
kids.
then how can you manage the time and work pressure and family too?
I come
Is
I come at the right time, and when I come, I know what is my work for that day, and I start with that, and I do not spend time in in talking and on phone, talking on phone, and I only uh, uh,
okay, this way you can manage the
take
time
care.
and okay, can
I am
balance your
only
family
focus
and
on
work.
my work. Yes, yes, I
Okay,
am only focus on my work, and
okay,
yes. So I know my responsibilities, so that I do my work early, and I can go early to the house.
okay. But I also try to finish my work, and but I couldn't do. I my the rest of work I do at home, and it's very difficult to for me to manage home and family and work. And even on weekend I have to work to finish my office work. I have lot of pending work, so I finish in weekend. So I that's why I am asking you, is
I
this
think
office is work pressure is
when
so.
you when you are have some experience in this office,
Mm,
when you will have some experience in this office, you automatically uh, you do your work, uh, uh,
On
you do
time.
your work means jaldi soon.
Hmm.
You do your work soon,
okay,
and I think
okay.
you can take help of your boss if you have some problem.
Okay, I'm worried about it now. I don't want to lose my job. If
uh,
I have if I lose my job, how can I bear my expenses? So I don't want to lose my job. I I do very hard.
I think
to save
your
my
manager is
so to
your
save my
manager is very good and very reliable person. She is very reliable person. If you
okay.
say something to her, she I think she like to help you.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much. I will discuss her because maybe uh, in my work profile, I have lot of work. It's
Huh.
happen. Na. That's why
If
I want to talk to her, discuss to her. Okay.
if I can do, I can also help you. If I know about regarding what related do you want to help, then I can help you
Okay. I
if
have a
possible.
lot of files to sort out and do lot of work. Pending work is there. If I need, na, I will help. I will take help from you. It's very.
Okay, no problem.
I'm obliged for this.
Okay, no problem. Anytime.
Thank you. Mm.
All right, Harmeet and Maliha. Interesting conversation. It was quite good. See, Harmeet, you were able to respond, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you were able to respond. It was just a normal conversation.
Thank Yes, normal thing, ma'am.
Yes, correct. So, some good, certain good questions and sentences that you all were using. I just wanted to see, check some of the words. For example, maybe you were trying to say, Maliha, that you were trying to tell Maliha that you are not used to the work environment or the work culture. Because Maliha was saying, do they have a lot of workload here, a lot of work pressure? So आप ऐसे कुछ कहने की कोशिश कर रहे थे that maybe you are new here and you're not yet used to the work environment or the work culture, or you're not used to the work. You have to still learn the work.
Yes.
Something like that. Okay. Maliha, when you're asking कि
Yeah.
आप सब कुछ manage कैसे कर लेते हो, so you say how do you manage everything, not how can
Okay,
you
then.
manage everything.
Okay, okay.
If you say how can you, it sounds like how can you manage everything? You cannot do it.
Yeah.
But
How
what
do
you
you
are saying
manage?
is कैसे करते हो आप? मैं पूछ रही हूँ आपसे that way. So how do you do it? How do you manage it?
Okay.
You can also ask her. You asked her, do you have a family? Do you have children? So she said yes.
Yeah.
Then you can even ask her, how do you maintain a work-life balance? You can use
Okay.
that term, work-life balance. काम और
Okay.
family life वगैरह सबको कैसे आप balance करते हो? You can even use that.
Okay.
Then how will I bear my expenses if I don't have a job? How will I bear my expenses?
Expensive. Yeah.
Yes. But otherwise, both of you're sounding very conversational, very nice when speaking. Just keep your confidence up. For both of you, that's one of the main things. To stay confident about yourself.
Okay, ma'am. It will gradually come. Ma'am.
Gradually, now it should already be
Yeah.
there, not gradually come. Now you'll have to be confident. Okay.
Okay.
Anyone,
We'll
any
try.
questions? Harmeet or anyone else? Any questions?
Ma'am,
Tell me.
if we say that you do not adopt the work culture, used to
Yeah,
work environment, or
correct. Yes. Good you came up, you remembered that. Not adopt, but adapt. The word you want to
adapt.
use is adapt.
What is the spell adapt?
Adapt.
Okay.
So basically आप उस चीज की आदी नहीं हो गए हैं,
Adapt.
आपने adapt नहीं किया है उसको. You're not used to it yet. So you are trying to tell her once you get adapted or once you adapt the work culture, you'll also get used to it. You will also learn to do your work fast. All right. Cool. So we'll move on. Then we have Anamika and Amit. Anamika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Amit, are you there? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So who's going to be the one who has some problems and wants to ask for help?
Yes, may I ask ma'am to Anamika?
Okay. Yeah, Anamika, should we go ahead?
Oh, okay, ma'am.
All right, cool. Amit, you start then. Come on.
Yes, ma'am. Hi, Anamika.
Hi,
How
how
are
are
you?
you?
I am fine.
Me
What about?
too.
Okay. So yesterday, month end, and we had a lot of work. Then you took leave. So sir told me why you
Yeah.
took leave yesterday.
What? Who took leave? Pardon, please.
Why why took you leave
Why you
yesterday?
took
Okay,
leave?
me. Okay, I am okay. Yeah, actually, yesterday I was coming. When I was coming, there was a lot of traffic and one accident occurred. So, uh, uh, I was helping that person. So I didn't come yesterday.
No, but you call sir. You could call. You could
Yeah, I
could talk.
messaged sir. Maybe he didn't see. I messaged him.
I don't know what about your message, but sir told me why uh, take leave, Anamika, and then we had lot of facing in document work.
Okay, maybe he would be busy, so he didn't say my message. Okay, I will definitely go. I will go and meet with sir. To sir.
Okay, next time take care about your leave. Neither actual yesterday we had a lot of work. Then some sir actual some work other pressure. So a
Yeah,
party
yeah,
and buyer call again and again. Uh, why are you not send my
yeah. Actually, I text him. Maybe he not seen. I didn't call him. I text him because I was busy. I went to hospital with that person, so I was busy.
okay,
Okay.
this is good job, I know, but when you take leave, confirm with us and
Okay.
inform us, so
Okay. Definitely, I will
we
call you. I'll
we
message you.
arrange other.
Definitely, yeah.
Wait, Anamika,
Okay.
let Amit complete his sentence. Okay,
Okay,
Amit,
ma'am.
please complete your sentence. What were you saying? Please inform. आप बोल रहे थे ना Amit, please inform. Can you complete your sentence?
Yes, ma'am. I got him. He was
No,
saying
I got
if
you. I know you got him, but he has
okay,
to be able to complete his sentence. उसके complete
okay,
करने से
ma'am.
पहले आप बोलोगे तो वो practice कैसे करेगा?
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
है
ma'am.
ना? Amit, hello.
Yes,
What
yes,
was
yes,
your sentence? Complete it. Next
yes.
time, please confirm. आगे आप कुछ बोल रहे थे.
Okay, you when you inform us, when you took when you take leave, please confirm please inform us, then we arrange other person or
Okay.
other colleague.
Okay.
Yes.
By next time, I will inform you.
Okay, so good. And next time take care about leave.
Okay. Actually, I am new here, so I don't know. I know a little bit about this company. Actually, I want a favor to you. Hello.
Yes.
Do you know about meeting?
Which meeting?
This Friday, sir called me. He told me this Friday there is a meeting. So he asked me to deliver a presentation. Do you
Yes.
know about this?
No, I don't know which meeting. I know about Sobhiman seminar,
Okay.
but I don't know what happened in meeting. I don't know.
Okay. Actually, I have lots of work, so I don't get time nowadays in company. But if you don't have any problem, so then I want to favor with you.
Okay. Uh,
I Yes.
yes, yes, yes. Say.
I have to make a presentation on how to save water. So if you will
Water.
help me, yeah, if you will help me, then I can make good presentation. with your help.
If you want how to save water, okay?
Yes.
अमित, उन्होंने आपसे ये कहा कि if you help me then I will be able, can you help me, I need your help to make a good presentation. तो उस चीज को पहले रिस्पॉन्ड कीजिए. वो पूछ रहे हैं कि आप मदद कर सकते हो, तो आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं in response? What do you want to say?
Okay.
कुछ रिस्पॉन्स दो उनको.
Yes. I would like to help you how to say water.
Okay. Thank you. Later we will work on this presentation if you will get time, whenever you get time. Okay, after your work finish, first you finish your work. Okay,
Okay.
and in case you need any help, tell me.
Yes. If I complete my work, then I will call you what happened in meeting, and I will try to attend meeting.
Okay. Okay, I want to know one thing more. Hello.
Yes.
I'm new and I joined 1 month ago. I have not received my employee ID yet. So
Oh.
I want to know about this. It takes more time. It takes more time, or we get in few days.
No. When I joined, if I joined yesterday, we HR department provide us on next day. But if
Okay.
any document problem, your document problems, that's why your ID late. But you visit our. You can visit our HR department and ask him.
Okay.
Ask them. You can ask them.
Ask them. Okay.
Yeah, because it's not him or her, right? It is some department. So them.
Ask them.
Ask them.
Okay, I will go and ask them.
All right, cool. Let's stop here, Anamika and Amit.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Amit.
Thank you.
Very, very good attempt, Anamika and Amit. Very good attempt. I know that certain places we were trying to understand what to say, how to respond, but you all took it forward really well. So great job. Both of you all also work on your confidence. Amit, you can also speak really well. I want you to just be more confident in your conversation.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You're making good sentences and everything. Even Anamika, just be more sound more confident when you all are talking. And also one thing, keep in mind when you all are both or anyone is doing these conversations, having these conversations, first listen to what the person is saying or asking, and then respond to that. And if someone is saying something, let them complete the sentence first, and then you respond, so that at least they are also practicing, and you will also understand what is it that they are asking or saying. I know we are all in different parts, so sometimes the internet may lag and all that, but just wait for a few seconds so that the person can complete. So anyways, sir asked me, Amit, sir asked me why you took leave. Why
Okay,
you took leave? Sir asked me why did Anamika take leave, or why you took leave? सामने उनको पूछ रहे हो, so why you took leave?
Okay.
Maybe he didn't see my message. And going forward, if you are not going to come to work, or if you can't work on something, let us know in advance, inform us in advance, so that we can arrange a backup. Backup is like, अगर आप काम नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो आपकी जगह someone else can do it, right? So we can arrange a backup.
Okay.
Anamika, when you're asking मुझे आपसे favor चाहिए, I want a favor from you. Yeah, I want a favor from you.
I was confused with you.
I also was wondering something like that. So anyways, I want a favor from you, or you can say, could you do me a favor?
Yeah.
If you do me a favor, that's also fine.
Favor. Yeah, ma'am.
And अगर आप ऐसे बोलना चाहते हो that I will attend the meeting and then I will brief you about the meeting. Meeting में जो भी हुआ, I'll brief you about the update. I'll tell you what happened in the meeting. That way. So good. Very nice. Very nice.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. Tell me.
Ma'am, I have a question, ma'am. I am confused in how to use when and whenever.
When and whenever.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you try to put when in a sentence?
When I work, when I prepare my document,
Uh-huh. Yeah.
when I prepare my document, uh, document system error message show.
The system showed an or the
So,
system, you can also say the system gave me an error.
yes.
ठीक है, so when I was ऐसे बोल सकते हैं, 1 second. When I was preparing my document, the system gave me an error or the system displayed an error message. जब मैं काम कर रहा था उस चीज पे तब ऐसा हुआ. So you're using the word when, correct? अब आप बोल रहे हो whenever के लिए you tell me how do you think you can put whenever in a sentence? Whenever.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Can I use here, ma'am, whenever I was preparing my document?
Whenever मतलब जब भी मैं सिस्टम मतलब डॉक्यूमेंट बनाने बैठता हूँ, काम करने बैठता हूँ, तब हर बार सिस्टम मुझे एरर देता है. Whenever.
Okay. जब
भी मैं ऐसे कुछ करता हूँ तब ऐसे होता है. But when you're saying when, it's like जब मैं कर रहा था तब ऐसे हुआ. और when question में भी आता है ना, when are you going to finish this?
Yes, ma'am.
Getting a little difference between when and whenever.
Yes, ma'am. Got it, ma'am.
Cool.
Thank you, ma'am.
Raji, you have a question? Yes, tell me.
Yeah, ma'am. In the same sentence, he can use, ma'am, whenever. Like whenever I prepare my document, the system always give me an error.
Yeah, he can use it, but then the meaning changes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. That's what he was also saying. Yes, correct. Okay, so let's go with Shobha and Swapna.
Yeah, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Happy Shivratri, ma'am.
Yes, happy Shivratri.
Yeah, ma'am.
Who's going ahead? Shobha, are you the one who has the problem or Swapna?
Yeah, ma'am.
Good
I'm the new
afternoon,
employee, ma'am. Fourth one, ma'am.
Fourth one, no. We are talking about the fifth one only. Your two colleagues, you are supposed to be two colleagues, and one of you is facing a problem at work and trying to take help from the other colleague.
Okay, ma'am.
So who is going to talk? Who has the problem? Shobha or Swapna? Who wants to start?
Okay, I'll start.
Okay, ma'am. I don't know about what, ma'am. I'm housewife. I'll try, ma'am.
Let Swapna start and you follow through. Don't worry. I think she has something in her mind. Swapna, go ahead.
Yeah, I don't have really, to be frank, but since there was silence, so I thought of taking it forward.
Good. Then you take it forward. No problem. Come on.
Yeah. So Shobha is like my colleague, right? And
Your
she is
colleague at
having
work.
problem.
No, you are facing some issues. You have some problem at work and you are trying to seek advice from Shobha or trying to talk to her about it.
Okay. Okay, so yeah, hi Shobha.
Hi, Sapna.
Yeah, I hope you are
So
doing
it's
fine.
pleasure to see you, Sapna.
Sorry?
Hello. It's pleasure to see you, Sapna.
Thank you. Me too.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm fine, good. Thank you. How is your work going on?
My work was going pretty well, but last evening I was running some script and it threw some error, and which I was unable to solve it. I had tried taking help from my other colleagues, but I was unable to get some fix for that issue. That's why I have come to you to know if you have something in your mind and that can resolve this, because we have to deploy this script uh, by tomorrow morning. So do you know how to fix this? Do you have some time right now?
Yes, I'll done some work. Okay, I'll help you. Means Swapna, you have to means I also joined this office last month, so I know little bit about this work. But manager will help you. I think he's very affable person. Could you please means visit manager office? He'll help you.
Okay. Yeah, manager, we can reach out, but do you know what will happen if I inform right now this thing to manager? He might get angry at me because uh, he will ask me, right? Why are you not able to fix at the last moment and you are coming to me asking for help? Because every other resources are busy. Every resource in the team are busy currently. Uh, so I think you already have a good hands-on experience on this technology,
Oh,
and you must
I
be able
joined
to
last month
fix it.
only. Okay, what do you want, Swapna? Please, you can tell. I will explain you. What thing you want?
Okay, so I have a script, and that is just giving me that is giving me error. I'll do one thing. I'll share that script over an email to you, and then you can just go through that script and let me know the fix. That should work if you have some time.
Okay, Swapna. Um, means, mm, ma'am, I don't know about the office work, ma'am. What to say
Shobha,
that one, ma'am?
Shobha, listen. It's not about knowing office work or no. She's asking
Okay,
you for
ma'am.
some request.
If she
Wait,
told
wait.
me, ma'am, means I
Shobha,
want to check that script,
hold
ma'am.
on 1 second, Shobha. Hold on. This is not a real life scenario. This is all
Okay,
imaginary,
okay, ma'am.
hypothetical.
But I don't know anything, ma'am.
Yeah,
Okay,
I mean,
Swapna,
you can just
I
say
checked
that.
I checked
Yeah.
this
One moment.
script, Swapna. A little bit of error is there. Error is there. After checking this, I will email you, Swapna. Okay.
Okay, yeah, that sounds great. Thank you for your help. I really need it.
Okay. Should we? I think we'll pause the conversation here. So, Shobha, very good.
Okay,
See,
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
see, all you have to do is you just have to respond to what the opposite party is saying, right? So she was asking for your help and she said she'll send you an email and then you can check it and help her out. So accordingly you also responded. You said, okay, no problem. You send me the email, I'll check it. I'll find out what the problem is and I'll email you. You don't need to know any technical information to have a
But I don't know
conversation.
anything about this office work, ma'am.
Shobha,
I don't know how any idea about that, ma'am.
Shobha,
That's why I
listen,
told
if
like
you
that.
keep telling yourself that I don't know this and I don't know that, you'll not go anywhere ahead. Okay? This has got nothing to do
Okay,
with
okay, ma'am.
it's got nothing to do with office work or business work. It is just a conversation. So if
Okay,
she's
ma'am.
saying something, you can also say anything. It doesn't matter, right? So don't keep saying you don't know this, you don't know that. It's not going to help you. I do. Everyone over
Okay,
here is
thank
from a
you.
different field. You've got to work on your
Okay, ma'am.
confidence, Shobha. And you did
Okay,
really
ma'am.
well, actually. You actually did really well. But you got to believe that you are doing well. Okay. You need to believe in yourself.
Okay,
We cannot do so much for you, but very well done. And Swapna, very nice. You also were able to have a very good conversation and use very good
Thank you,
sentences.
Swapna. Thank you, Swapna.
And
Thank you,
Shobha, you
Shobha.
also
Sorry to you because I don't know anything about that office work.
again
But
you are saying
ma'am,
the same thing.
what I told
Shobha,
you,
please
it's okay.
stop saying that sentence. I don't know anything. Please don't do it.
Okay,
It's
ma'am.
not helping anyone.
Some
Neither
internet
you
problem is
nor
them.
anyone
It's
else.
cracking, ma'am. Sound is cracking for me.
Okay, cool. All right, thanks. Let's move on to Raji and Sudhir. Raji, are you here?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good morning. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Is Sudhir here? One moment. Let me see. Sudhir is not there.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can I have conversation then with you?
No, not really actually, Raji, because I want you guys to talk. Otherwise, if you guys are not talking, there's no point having a conversation with me. Let's pick up
Okay.
someone from the class so that we can practice a little more. Anyone who'd like to volunteer? Reena is raised the hand. Okay, Reena, cool.
Okay.
Great.
Can I, ma'am?
Reena already said she's going ahead, so we'll go with Reena and
Okay.
Raji. So Reena and Raji. So Raji, do you have already some issue in your mind, or do you want Reena to go ahead?
Yeah, I will ask about some problems, ma'am. Yes.
Some problem that you're facing. Okay.
Okay.
Reena has to try to follow through.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead, Raji.
Hey, hi, Reena.
Hi, Raji.
How are you?
Good, Raji.
Yes,
I'm good.
that's nice. Actually, I wanted to discuss with you something. Do you have some time?
Yes, yes, of course.
Okay, so we got this big project, and I'm handling a team of 10 members. So there I'm facing one issue. These two girls, X and Y. I don't know. They are finding it very rivalry. They are not ready to take the responsibility. So what to do in such circumstance? Could you please help me?
Yes, yes, I try, Raji, because if both, it means, Raji, please, pardon, please, I'm not get your question properly. So please
Okay.
tell me.
Okay, there are two girls, okay? And when
Yes,
it comes
yes.
to delegation of responsibilities, sometimes some girl they need to leave the office early due to emergency, right? So
Yeah, yeah.
other people they take the responsibility of others.
Yes,
So
yes.
these two girls they are not ready to take work of each other. So how to convince them?
Yes, yes. Because first of all, you should talk with each girls independently. It means unknowingly, and why you want you try to know what is the problem with her, because both are employed and sometimes sometime as a need, it means it may be possible some problem come one girls and other girls also. So first of all you try to meet and call her lonely, and you should convince both girls, and